Sasakay ako naman, sir.
Sino, okay lang?
Wala ka
Sasaka pa.
Wala ka ng video eh.
Okay lang yan. Sanay ako eh. Saan tayo pupunta?
Ang lamig dito.
Oh shit, sarado na Starbucks.
Sarado na talaga yun eh. Dito na tayo.
Bodyguard. Man. Ang lamig dito. Yan. Baso sa ano? Lamig. Bodyguard. Ano nga, taas ka.
Patawa ka! Tinala ko makamadali ito ah. Bilisan mo! Ayan! Hoy, sino yan?
Di yata pwede. Pero magdala ka na rin. Ako ay humingi ng pipon. Yan o, kaya late siya. Kaya hindi nag-attend ng briefing dahil namili. Tama ba naman yan? Ba?
I want pancakes, just in case they have breakfast.
At this time, meron na yata.
They should, it's morning na.
Tiga, pancake tayo. Para
Kasi
hindi.
we've been craving for pancakes since yesterday.
Ikaw lang.
Chupa chups. Ang pangit pakinggan, bunganga.
Oo nga eh. Halimaw lang may bunganga.
Let's go buy McDonald's.
Yep. Pero kainin nyo na dito kung pwede. Bawas-bawasan nyo na. Mahirap magkalat to. Yung mga gutom mo. Laki na mukha nito.
I don't think we're clear for Yes, you're right. It's a picture. Thank you so much.
Okay, 1, 2. Ay, saka pa. Huli ka na, wala ka na. Alvin, tingin muna. Ayan. Ay.
I said. Kaya kailangan talaga.
Baka naman mga pagkain nyo. Wala at mamumuya. Wala may gusto sa'yo tumabi? Ah, talaga? Saka pa? Kayo rin?
I hear you. I get it. Where are you taking my money? Stop. Stop for a second.
You think I could sleep last night? No, stop once again. There is no really
Hindi ko makita. Sabi ko sa tapat ng ilaw.
Antok na, bukas mga patay na to.
Ayun o! Let's go! Magtama! Wawa talaga matanda.
Yes, ma'am.
Babae. That you have to keep in mind today is discipline. These activities, not just for the games, the farming, the food, but we would like to install discipline. Okay? So until we say, okay, go to your respective areas, you stay in one place. Okay? Most especially when we're having the games. Because do your own time. We are not posting the times. So at least you know the time ng mga kalaban ninyo. So it's important that you're there. Okay, by group. Group 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Reverse back by off.
Man.
Okay, audience. Group 1. Group 2.
Provide the excellent customer service.
Okay, so it's group 3, ah. Again, group 1. 0. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Picture. Biggie value! Kuna naman!
Individual na lang.
Kailangan ko na vibes pa. Excellent customer service by the veteran therapy.